Hey guys, it's Landon.
And Audrey.
And welcome to episode 8 of the Landon and Audrey podcast.
This bed is so creaky.
Roll that intro. So guys, this is episode 8 of the Landon and Audrey podcast. Hey Audrey.
Hey.
We're having Thanksgiving, even though it's not Thanksgiving. Because Audrey got sick. She died.
Oops.
So, yeah. We have not done a podcast since the summer. Which actually, this is supposed to be episode 9. But, you guys are going to hear a lot of background noise. Let's just start there. But, episode 8, we filmed it in July. It got uploaded. I didn't like it, so I took it down.
Yep.
So we're going to be re-talking about things that we talked about in July. And then
that's what that was.
a bunch of things I also took out. So, Audrey,
Yeah.
we have some essential questions. I can't put these on the way here. What do you think is the most overrated Thanksgiving food?
Stuffing.
Yeah. Stuffing or turkey? I think turkey's overrated.
I mean, if it's cooked good.
What do you think the most underrated food is?
Sweet potato.
I think the roll's underrated. The roll
just
is so
sucks
good.
in general.
The roll is so good. Alright, so. Both September and October have happened since we've had our last podcast. And there's some new stuff going on in the tech world. So, Samsung had their Unpacked event since we've done our last podcast. Samsung Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 are both out. The Google Pixel 7 is out. And then there's some Apple stuff. Now, Apple stuff on this podcast we do get in depth with. So, the Apple event happened in September. And they focused on 3 main categories. iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. So, they released 3 Apple Watches, 4 iPhones, and a new pair of AirPods. So, there are 4 new iPhones. There's the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro. Wait, no, I'm wrong. Wait, no, I'm not. Okay.
Oh, I just got spam email.
Oh, you got a spam! So there's the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, which is new, iPhone 14 Pro, and then iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Guys, my Venmo account has been suspended.
Audrey's Venmo has been suspended.
I don't even own Venmo. Venmo Inc.
Venmo Inc.
Best regards.
Best regards.
Oh no, whatever shall I do?
So, there is no longer an iPhone mini. Completely gone. Yeah. Now, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus are kind of boring. They're really freaking boring.
Right.
They have the same A15 Bionic chip from last year. Really, the only big thing with them, they have crash detection, which is in all the new iPhones. Emergency SOS via satellite. And they have the new eSIM chip. But that's all in, like, the more pro phones, too. So there's really, the 14 and 14 Plus kind of suck. They really do. Don't buy them. I've never said don't buy an iPhone, but I'm saying it now. Audrey, would you buy the iPhone 14?
No, I'm pretty good with the phone that I have right now.
Audrey has the 13. If you have the 13, especially, don't upgrade. Okay, I'm letting you all know that right now. So,
He's a sleepy ex.
let's get into the Pro phones. Because they have the freaking dynamic island. And I'm excited about it. So, the Pro phones, they're not a huge upgrade from last year. But they had the dynamic island. So they don't have a notch anymore. They have like that kind of pill-shaped design. And I love it. And it's interactive. So like if you get on a phone call, a timer, anything, music, it will show up on the dynamic island. It's great. The 14 Pros do come in a new deep purple color. The Pro is a 6.1 inch display, just like the 14, and then the Pro Max is a 6.7, just like the Plus. They do have the new A16 Bionic chip. So they have a newer chip. They have a 48 megapixel main camera now. So that's new.
Someone's live on Twitch.
Someone's live on Twitch. Who is it?
Let me check. Someone with Valorant.
Someone with Valorant. With iPhone 14, you can now shoot 4K cinematic mode. So that's a new thing. But 14, let me tell you, iPhone 14s are not a major upgrade. They're not big. They're just not. So, let's talk Apple Watch. So, there's the brand new Apple Watch Series 8. Nothing huge with it, really. It's another thing. I feel like Apple kind of got lazy with this year. Series 8, don't buy it. Really, I mean, it's the same stuff. It really is. It has crash detection, SOS, all this jazz. But it's really the same exact Apple Watch from last year. There's a new SE, which is also kind of like whatever. So yeah. But then there's the Apple Watch Ultra with a freaking action button, and it is a thick boy. Audrey, is it thick?
So thick.
So thick. Double mega thick. Okay. It's beautiful. And it comes with these new bands. It's $800, which is like twice the amount of the Apple Watch Series 8. It's a whole thing. But, yeah.
I'm going on Twitter to look at it.
But I feel like they did kind of get lazy this year with the Apple FM. Because, like, even the Ultra, it's not like something huge. Like, I feel like you're paying $400 extra for a button. But that's just me. Now, this is something. They came out with new AirPods Pros. Yeah, they have some new chip, whatever. They have a speaker on the case. So when you lose your AirPods or case, instead of just being able to play a sound on your AirPods to find them, you can play a sound on the case to find the case too. And I need that because I lose the case more than I lose the actual AirPods, and I can never find the case because I can't play a sound on it.
I always lose one AirPod, and I can never find that one.
One of my AirPods isn't working right now, so...
My AirPods, I use them so much that they end up not working anymore.
Alright, so, Audrey, we have to retell your story about your bestie.
We can't say her name, right?
I forget her name.
I'm on Snap. Let's see what it is.
Let's call her Kirsten.
No, because I have a friend named Kirsten. Still think it's about her.
What are we gonna call her?
V.
What?
V.
What? Call her V.
V.
So, we went to this lake over the summer. Audrey met this girl named V.
Oh, yeah.
Her and V became besties with the resties. And they got, like, super attached. So, V, after we left, they'd gotten their Snap and everything. Audrey even got her sister, let's call her Kaylee's Snap. And you still have their Snap?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Well, they became besties. They got each other's Snap. Well, V wanted Audrey to go to some, what was it?
I think it was Carnival.
A carnival, festival, something at a park. Well, we weren't gonna go. It was stupid. We couldn't go, whatever. Well, Kaylee's V's sister was like snapping Audrey like, "Hey girl, we can pick you up, take you to the carnival."
You know, we met you like an hour.
Yeah, we literally met them like 3 hours prior. You were like, "Hey, my drunk mama come pick you up. We go party at the carnival."
Yeah.
Yeah. So no, it was a whole thing. But that's the story about Audrey's bestie.
We ended up going, hey, we're going to party somewhere else.
Yeah, we were like, hey, we're gonna go party somewhere else. Audrey actually really did want to go to that festival, though.
I mean, I wanted to go with, like, you, and then we like...
Yeah, not Kaylee and V. So, oh my gosh, I got stitches.
I lied. I never got stitches.
Okay. Did you know I got stitches?
No.
No, alright. I got stitches 2 months ago. Let me tell you the story. So, I was riding my bike with my neighbor. And I don't know what happened. But my pedals, like the plastic part that goes over the actual metal pedal things, they like broken, fell off. Well, I'm riding. I have no socks. I'm wearing my Crocs. And my ankle goes into the pedal. Not even joking. The pedal went into my ankle. You could see the tissue in my ankle. And I had to get stitches. And then I got a new bike. And I couldn't walk for 2 days. It was terrible. So, recently, also, the new iPad and iPad Pro came out. The iPad Pro has an M2 chip. It's not, once again, not a major thing. But then, the new iPad, this is the thing. It has, like, the iPad Air design now. And it comes in these beautiful, like, neon-ish colors. It's beautiful. But it's like an all-new design. Oh, it's not all-new. It's like the iPad Air design. It's the iPad 10th gen. And I gotta read off the specs. Holy crap. Okay. So, it has an A14 Bionic chip. /12 megapixel back camera. 12 megapixel ultra wide front camera, and it has center stage. Now it still is only compatible with the first gen Apple Pencil, which kind of sucks. But it is now compatible with the Magic Keyboard Folio, which is nice. It comes in silver, a beautiful blue, a pink, a yellow. And yeah, it's great. I got a puppy.
Yeah, I know that part.
But actually, I was supposed to get the puppy like a week prior to when I actually got it. It's like kind of a funny story, but kind of not. So we were getting my puppy from this lady, and she's like a bunch of animals. She has a horse and stuff. Her horse stepped on my puppy, and it was on pain meds for 10 days, so I couldn't get it for like an extra 10 days.
I just want to say, who makes content playing those mobile games?
So weird.
You want to see this?
Oh, I do.
So, like, what is this game? I've seen this game like 10. Wait till the end.
Hashtag casual games. It's one of those like walk games where like you build a person and get rich and crap.
Yeah, but it's feminist. Wait.
It's like gay people.
Look at the guy.
That guy's humping that guy. I'm upset.
Like, who's like, I have 1,000 followers, but this is what I do.
I have 1,000 followers, so I'm gonna play mobile games.
But I have Am I the A-hole stories.
Am I the A-hole stories?
Covering my building character.
I'm upset. The Little Caesars by my house closed down, and I love Little Caesars. Little Caesars
I like
is
East
underrated.
Chicago.
Oh, I don't like East Chicago. It's kind of weird. So, guys, what should we talk about now?
I thought you... Is that all you wanted to talk about?
Yeah. I, write down things that I want to talk about. But then I feel like we always get through my list so quickly.
This is actually the one I, really like.
Audrey is sexually attracted to this
I am not.
teal fluff bucket.
It's an axolotl.
A what?
Also, we got pig.
He looks like a goat.
What about this pig looks like a goat?
So...
Guys, our studio...
We don't read reviews!
Oh.
We gotta read a review! Okay, hold on, I gotta go to Apple Podcasts. Oh my gosh, this girl texted me. Hold on, on Snap. So, this girl has, not been responding to any of my snaps, but she opens them, every day. And I said that I was mad at her, and she put, "Are you really that mad?" I'm gonna put, "Yeah." I'm actually not that mad, I just wanna know why she's not answering me. Alright, we're gonna read a review now. So we're going to Apple Podcasts. We have one from Jimmy Jingle. Love listening to you guys. Keep it the good work. You are so funny, but I don't understand anything about tech.
Absolutely, Jimmy Jingle. That's how I feel.
Audrey feels that exact same way. But, honestly, Jimmy Jingle, that sounds like a major you problem. This podcast is turning to this girl snapping me. She put, "I just didn't feel like responding."
I can't. Who names their... Jimmy Jingle?
Jimmy Jingle.
I appreciate you listening to the podcast, but... Ooh.
He left a 5-star. We got a 5-star from Jimmy Jingle.
Okay, one person who gave us a 4-star ruined our ratings.
Yeah, guys, we have one 4-star rating, and it ruined our entire thing. We only have 4.8 stars now because someone gave us a 4.
They didn't even say anything bad.
Oh, Oh no, they said that we need to upload more frequently. We have lives.
Guys, appreciate
What we do. I said doo-doo. We have lives.
We also don't live that close.
Yeah, we don't live close, guys. So, like, difficulties.
Difficulties in travel.
So, I think we should end the pod here, guys.
Woo.
Why do you have splashes of pink on your wall?
Oh, because I punched the wall.
Audrey punched the wall. It turned pink. Wait, so you punched the wall, so you painted it pink?
No, my undercoat is pink.
Oh. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.
If we don't post for another 4 months.
Because I got sick.
Actually, we could post next month because we'll see each other for Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
We'll do another caroling session. Last year, we did a caroling session.
Oh, wait, I have to talk about... There's this one photo roulette game, not sponsored.
Not sponsored!
But there's a...
If you want to sponsor us, though, you can sponsor us.
Yeah, feel free to sponsor us. But I think they make, like, way too much money.
We made $1.55.
Don't talk about your wealth on podcast. And so we play video roulette, and every time it's just clips of me touching a Christmas tree for one of the vlogs for Rocking Soccer. You know that, like, white dusted one? It's just me going.
Alright, guys. Bye-bye.
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 Thank you so much, guys, for listening to the Landon and Audrey podcast.
You can check us out on Spotify, on Apple Podcast, on Google Podcast, or on the Anchor.fm website. And on some other weird podcasts listening.
That we can't pronounce.
Yeah, we don't really know what they are.
Bye.